What is it about my house that makes smoke alarms need new batteries at like 2 a.m.? Oh, how annoying. Okay, so what we're doing is we're gonna shop my stash. Yes, it's an easy video. Yes, that's wonderful. There's lots of stuff still in my drawer. We'll go over that. But first, we're gonna tell you it's gonna be like 75, 80 degrees here. I have my sleeveless shirt, gotta let the gun show mostly. I'm gonna take my dog for a hike. I'm gonna give him the best day ever. I'm charging my camera right now so that way you guys can see it. And, you know, Sunday fun day, whenever I feel like it. And, yeah, we'll talk to you guys later. Yeah, I just love that. Dogs leave paw prints on our hearts. Oh, okay. So, anyway, we are shopping my stash. Up here, we have setting sprays and, I know what I'm talking about. Foundations and stuff. Guys, I already have a boatload of that in my drawer. We're going to stick with that. Down here, we have random tools and perfumes. I haven't used up the last of the two I have. So we're just going to go out of there. Lipsticks, I'm thinking I should stick with the Double Dare. And I'm getting more into glosses and I'll go ahead and hit those up. Here I have blushes, or some blushes, because I just don't have a place to put them. We've moved things around. I have some color correcting concealer. I have backups of eyeshadow primer. We don't need any of that. And yeah, so over here, we are gonna pick out this. This is the Cheekathon. I've had this a while. Guys, I am having issues using my hands. Because, you know. Okay, there we go. Damn it. Benefit apparently puts one of these out every year. I didn't know that. But this one has Dandelion, Hula, Rockator, Dallas, and Coralista. You know what? We're going to use those. Yeah. So, eyeshadows, guys. Let's see. You know what? My anniversary is in like a few weeks. We're going to bust out the Modern Renaissance. Yes, I keep the outer packaging because that's how I roll. And I think I'm going to do the Tarte Pro. I think we're good there for now. Yeah, we're going to put the Tarte Pro back. It's springtime. We're going to go for my Makeup Revolution Team Beauty, whatever. Peach palette dupe. Yeah. I think that's sufficient. That's enough of springy stuff that, hey, we're going to go with that. Let's do a highlight. I'm not really into big highlights this time of year. I don't know why. But I also have the Essence Pure Nude Highlighter. That's what we're going to go with. I have still have some mascara. But so when it comes time to that, for that to be switched over, I'll show you guys. Okay. So for foundations, I have a powder foundation, I have the Wet n Wild, and I have the Naked Skin. And I have Clumsy Hands. For blushes, you saw that I am doing... You saw that I'm doing the Cheekathon, but I also like that. That also is a bronzer, which leads me to more bronzer. That is my Wet n Wild that I'm going to use up. This is my Beauty Basics, and guys, for the summer, that'll work fine. And if you need to, if it doesn't work for you, you do you. We got that Beauty Basics and BoxyCharm. I'm going to continue with my Wet n Wild contours here. Concealer, the Age Rewind. This could probably go back in the drawer for until later in the summer, but I have Bye Bye Under Eye. Bye Bye Under Eye. I also have some primers already pulled out. I have a fair amount. I have 3 setting powders already pulled out, 4 setting powders pulled out. I have a couple lips already in here. I should probably start to use this. This is Bow and Arrow from Kat Von D. This is Big Spender from Smashbox. Those are some of my oldest. I have some eyeliner, eyebrow stuff. I think it's time for a new eyeliner, and I got some e.l.f. pomade stuff. We're going to figure that out. Oh, I have a Pro Conceal from LA Girl sample. You know what? We're going to put this all over here. Bam. That's how that's going to work. And you know what, guys? I should probably do this stuff prior. But, yeah, so I do have 2 perfumes, Black Opium and I don't know, what's this one? Modern Muse. Yeah, so we're going to give those a shot. Yeah, in addition to what's in my basket. My peach palette dupe, my Modern Renaissance, not so dupey. But this is what I wore on my wedding day, so, you know, hey, why not? And my Cheekathon, which, yeah, so we're going to go with this. So, if you like what you see here, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Yeah. Okay, so I got that out of the way, and thank you all for subscribing, liking, and commenting, viewing, and all that fun stuff. Now, you guys have a good day. We'll talk to you later. Bye.